Successful businesses and individuals are where they are because they know how to achieve their goals. The ability to set and accomplish goals separates successful establishments from failures. As a business leader, you have a list of goals. But are you sure these goals are achievable? Smart goal setting can make them attainable. For today's video, I will cover all essential details on the SMART framework, including its importance and how to write SMART goals. What are SMART goals? The SMART acronym represents specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Hence, the SMART framework is a tool for setting clear, attainable, and trackable goals. You can use this framework to set all kinds of goals, from project goals to organizational objectives. You can also use it for personal goal setting. How to write SMART goals. You can write a SMART goal through each element in the SMART framework. Specific. The more specific your goal, the more achievable it will be. Measurable. The next element in the tool ensures that your goal is trackable. It will be challenging to track progress if you don't have a quantifiable objective. Achievable. It's the goal-setting stage where you consider the feasibility of your project. Relevant. Now is the time to look at the bigger picture and making the goal relevant. Time-bound. The final step in the framework is to attach a time frame to your goal. We have dozens of templates to select from to help you construct your SMART goal presentation. Advantages of SMART goals. There's a lot of advantages to mention. It boosts the chances of achieving success. It provides a clear roadmap. It eliminates guesswork. It helps to measure success. It ensures that goals are met within a specific time frame. It helps companies pursue relevant goals. It ensures team members are on the same page. Now that you have seen examples of SMART goals and know how to write them, it's time to get to work. You can save valuable by downloading our SMART Goals PowerPoint template. It is professionally designed and fully editable. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a like and share it with your friends. And if you want to see more videos like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.